Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use rank function in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here the number of projects that is inserted for each person. If I would like to use rank function here, I need to click on the cell when I want to insert it. And then I need to type here equal sign. Then I type here rank, I open the bracket, and I need to select the cell that I want to use. So I click on this one cell. Now I type here comma. And now I need to select all data from the column. Now I need to click F4 from my keyboard to block the cells. Then I close the bracket and I press enter. Now rank has been successfully created here, so we need to click on it and we need to press and hold blue box on the right down corner of this cell. We need to change position of the cursor to the downside and then rank will be successfully created here. So how you see, the biggest number has rank 1 and lowest number has rank 6. And of course same here. Okay, so it's all for today. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.